Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the sound problem on the Oppo A5x. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just check the speakers on your phone and check if they are blocked by any dust or debris. Now after you check and clean the speakers on your phone, the next step is to open settings, then tap on sounds and vibration. And from here, if your smartphone is on silent, just select ring and also make sure you increase the sound on your phone by increasing the sliders over here. Just like that. Now, if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. To fix this issue, just go back. Now in the main settings page, just tap on System and Update. Then tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your smartphone. After you do that, then go to your home screen and reboot your smartphone. For that, just press and hold the power button on your phone to launch the power menu. But if your power button is mapped to launch Google Assistant instead of the power menu, then press the volume up button and the power button at the same time. And once you do that, you will launch the power menu on the screen. Now just swipe up and select Restart. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then the final thing you can do is to open the dialer app, and from here just dial *899#. Now from here, just tap on Manual Test. Now at the top of the screen, just select Media Debugging. Then tap on Media Test and tap on Stereo Music Play. Now, if you have done that and if sound came out of your smartphone speakers, then you might have enabled a setting in your smartphone which is causing this problem on your phone. To fix this issue, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Then tap on System and Update. From here, just tap on Backup and Reset. Then tap on Reset Phone. And from this list, just tap on Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN. Now from here, just select Reset. Now this option will not delete any data on your smartphone. It will only preset all the settings of your smartphone. And once you do that, you will fix the sound problem on your phone. But if you have tested the speakers on your phone, and if sound did not come out of your smartphone speakers, then you might have a hardware problem with the speakers on your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the sound problem on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.